Alright guys, so I'm trying to replace the bulbs on my car in the dome light, and I found it really difficult to remove this light here. So what I did is, you've got some plastic covers here. If you can pry them off and then use the Torx T30 to remove the two bolts, that one is here and one is on the other side. If you can undo them, and then you've got access to the dome light. So what you can do really is, there is a plastic cover just right here, if you can see it. So if you twist it counterclockwise, like 90 degrees, and then you can remove the light bulb. I found also difficult the sun visors, but after a little bit of googling, I don't know if you can see them tabs here. If you insert a plastic prying tool just to lift it up a little bit, and then it's easily removed. So as you can see, I've replaced them really to the LED ones. I'll just show you in a second, as the key is not in the ignition. So it's a lot brighter now. So just insert an LED light in the dome light and put it back on, and you should be sorted. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and give it a like if you like it. And see you next time.